Hey guys, Scott with No Budget Homestead, and you're probably wondering what I'm doing sitting in my shed, drinking a cup of coffee, relaxing. Well, it's a new year on the old No Budget Homestead. Of course, it's a new year everywhere, isn't it? But today, I just want to do a short video, just kind of sit there and let you guys know some of the homestead goals that we have for this year. And this is by no means a complete list or the only thing that we're going to do. And who knows, we may not get to some of the stuff that I do want to get done this year, but y'all who homestead know exactly what I mean. You try to make these goals and then try and meet them. And if you can't, you can't. You just put it off till the next year. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. But first, coffee. Warm coffee on a cool afternoon. Tastes good. Not feels good, but tastes good. That kind of feels good too, doesn't it? Anyways, I ramble again. Well, some of the stuff that I do want to get done, and I'll kind of give you guys a hint. Yeah, as you see, this shed is full. And I really, really, really want to get another shed. But with the pricing that I've done and stuff of lumber versus buying one, it's going to be cheaper for me to build one. So that's going to be the first goal, or one of the first goals for this year, is getting a new shed built. Okay, I'll build it closer to the chicken coop and everything, but it's going to take some money, which I'm saving, and of course I got about as much carpentry skills as my chickens, although they're probably better because they can build nests. I wonder if they could carry a hammer. Anyways, I get off track. The other thing is the old homestead's getting a new heat pump, which is the primary priority this year, because I don't want to have to go through a hot, humid Alabama summer with a heat pump that doesn't work too well. Because this last summer, we moved in June, so we still had a lot of the summer, and the house did not get cool. It wasn't sweltering in the house, it was just uncomfortable. So I found out that the heat pump needs to be replaced. It's 30 years old. It's the original one that came with this house. And that's going to run us about $4,000 to $5,000. So I have a lot of it saved, and I am relying on my tax return. Some of you guys know what that's like. So we're going to go ahead and get that sorted out. What else are we going to do? Going to expand the chicken run. If you guys remember, in our old homestead, we had a kind of a 500-600 square foot area fenced off. I'm putting a little bit bigger area for them, and I've been clearing some of the wooded area there next to the coop. And I got the fencing. I'm just trying to clear an area around so I can put the fencing up and everything, and get that sorted out. So the girls will be real happy with that. Also this year we plan on expanding the flock. Speaking of chickens, we're going to expand our flock, and some of them may be going to freezer camp soon. But I'll try and take you along on that also. What other goals do we have? Raised beds. This spring I plan on doing more raised bed gardening. Seeing the garlic and onions have been doing pretty well. I'll show you guys on another video, another update on the garlic and onions. I was really worried about all the hard freeze that we had a week ago. We had the entire week where we had hard freeze warning, and I tried covering them up and all this stuff, and it just... Anyways, you guys will see on the next update. So the tension mounts. Also, the other thing is, by the time this video is published... well, no, I'm not going to go into that. So besides the shed, of course the heat pump for the house, the coop expansion and the raised garden beds, I'm going to be doing some more tinkering and experimenting with different things like chicken waterers and some other little minor projects around here. We're going to take down some of the trees on the homestead. We got some dead standing trees. They need to come down. Chop them up. I may even try a hugelkultur bed. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. We're planning on planting some blueberry bushes this year, so that'll be a good thing. So we got quite a bit coming up on the homestead, and well, we hope you guys will continue to stick with us and offer your helpful comments, because you guys have been a blessing and a half to Little Man and I, and really helped me get along. And I still feel like I have my white belt of homesteading, which means I haven't really gone too far. I mean, I'm almost at a yellow belt, using the karate analogies. But it's coming along, and I appreciate all you subscribers and viewers out there who've given us tips, especially you more experienced ones that know a lot about what's going on. And then even, I'm surprised we got quite a few gamers that watch our channel too. And of course, Little Man loves that, and he enjoys following some of you guys. And what else? Well, just whatever else comes up on the homestead and everything. So I just realized something. I say a lot. I'm coughing a lot because I just ate, and it makes my throat all kind of wonky and everything. So, c'est la vie. Alright, well, I'm going to kind of end the video here on that before I ramble on too much more. I thank you guys again for sticking with us. We hope you guys have a simply unbelievable year. We pray that the good Lord is good to you and yours. And y'all, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Click the little bell icon next to it so you get notifications when we put out a video. And, well... y'all stay simply unbelievable, and we'll see you on the next video.